Okay, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa. Be nice if you subscribe, but you don't have to. Today's little topic video, whatever you want to call it, is the coronavirus. I know it's a depressing thing to talk about, but I feel like I have been locked at home for eternity, years and years and years. But apparently they are starting to open some things up, like hairdressing and family businesses. I don't think that's a good idea because it's only been apparently a couple months and they haven't found a vaccine for it. They haven't found a cure. And actually in Canada right now, rates are starting to go higher. And I just don't think that's a good thing. If you think that's an okay thing, write down in the comments of your ideas of this. Our earth is slowly disintegrating. Slowly it will be a ghost town. So eventually it started basically with bats. And bats carry a lot of disease, so that's kind of where it originated from. And then, I don't know. And then we're gonna get probably another wave, and it's going to be probably huger because we've decided to open up businesses now, and they're probably going to open up schools, and then they're going to be like, oh, well, you can keep your kids at home for schooling, or you can have them go to school. And then we got masks, and we got gloves, and masks are good because they keep you safe, but at the same time, you're like, I feel like I can barely breathe through the mask. I don't know. Maybe that's just my anxiety kicking in, but yeah. I don't know if I made this video already, but if I didn't, let me know in the comments what you think about all of this, because I think it's BS, and they should wait until at least next year for things to be calming down and opening up actually shit. Anyway, have a good day, have a good evening, have a good night, wherever you are around the world, and I hope things are going good for you, and stay safe. Peace.